Connecting the world. An introduction to Cisco Systems. Cisco Systems Inc. is a giant in the world of technology. You don't see its name on your smartphone, but Cisco is vitally important. The company makes the equipment that forms the internet. Cisco also sells software and services. Think of Cisco as the hidden force behind a connected world. Cisco started in 1984. Two people at Stanford University, Leonard Bosack and Sandy Lerner, had an idea. They wanted an easier way for computers to talk to each other. Their idea became Cisco. Today, Cisco is a global company. It has its headquarters in San Jose, California. Cisco's stock is traded on the NASDAQ Stock Exchange under the symbol CSCO. Cisco's work impacts businesses and lives every day. The backbone of the internet. Cisco's networking prowess. Cisco is best known for its networking equipment. These are the tools that allow computers to connect and share information. Routers are like traffic directors. They make sure data goes where it needs to go on the internet. Switches act like controllers within a network. They manage the flow of data between devices. Wi-Fi, which we all use every day, is also within Cisco's domain. These products are essential. They form the backbone of the internet. Without them, our online world would not exist as we know it. Safeguarding the digital realm. Cisco's cybersecurity solutions. As our reliance on technology grows, so do the threats. Hackers and cyber attacks are a constant danger. Cisco is a leader in cybersecurity, providing a wide range of solutions to protect businesses and individuals. Firewalls act like digital shields, blocking unauthorized access to networks. Threat detection systems work like security cameras for your computer, constantly monitoring for suspicious activity. Virtual private networks, or VPNs, create secure tunnels for data, protecting it from prying eyes. Cisco also offers cloud security solutions, safeguarding data stored in the cloud, and zero-trust security models, which assume that no user or device can be trusted by default. Fostering seamless collaboration. Cisco's collaboration tools. Cisco is also a big player in the world of collaboration tools. Their most famous product is WebEx, a platform for video conferencing, online meetings, and webinars. WebEx allows people to connect from anywhere in the world, making remote work and collaboration easier than ever. In addition to WebEx, Cisco provides a suite of unified communication systems. These systems bring together various communication channels, such as voice calls, video calls, instant messaging, and email, into a single platform. Section 5. Powering the cloud. Cisco's data center and cloud solutions. The way we store and access data has changed dramatically. Cloud computing is now the norm. Cisco is at the forefront of this revolution, offering a range of data center and cloud solutions. Cisco provides the infrastructure that powers cloud data centers. These data centers are massive facilities filled with servers that store and process data. Cisco also offers hybrid cloud services, which combine the benefits of private clouds controlled by a single organization with public clouds available to anyone. Section 6. Enabling the Internet of Things. Cisco's IoT innovations. The Internet of Things, or IoT, is no longer a futuristic concept. It's here, and it's changing the way we live and work. The IoT refers to the billions of devices, from refrigerators to cars to factory equipment, that are connected to the internet, collecting and exchanging data. Cisco provides the solutions to connect and manage these devices. Their IoT platform enables businesses to gather insights from the data generated by connected devices, optimize operations, and create new services. For example, a manufacturing company can use Cisco's IoT solutions to monitor equipment performance in real time, predict maintenance needs, and prevent costly downtime. Section 7. Transitioning to the subscription era. Cisco's software and services. Cisco is shifting its business model. The company is moving away from selling hardware as its primary source of revenue. Instead, Cisco is focusing on software and subscriptions. This means customers pay a recurring fee to access and use Cisco's software and services. This shift is part of a larger trend in the tech industry. Software and services provide a more predictable revenue stream than hardware sales. Cisco is investing heavily in software development, particularly in areas like artificial intelligence. Cisco's AI tools can analyze data, automate tasks, and provide insights that help businesses make better decisions. Section 8. Cisco's global reach, serving a diverse clientele. Cisco's products and services are used by organizations of all sizes, from small businesses to global enterprises. Some of Cisco's largest customers include enterprises. Large companies rely on Cisco's networking, security, and collaboration solutions to connect their employees, partners, and customers around the world. Government agencies depend on Cisco's secure and reliable technology to protect sensitive data, provide essential services, and connect with citizens. Internet service providers, or ISPs, use Cisco equipment to build and manage their networks, delivering internet access to homes and businesses. Educational institutions, schools and universities, rely on Cisco's networking and collaboration tools to support online learning, research, and campus operations. Section 9. Cisco's enduring legacy, shaping the future of connectivity. Cisco Systems Inc. has played a pivotal role in shaping the digital world we live in today. From connecting the first computers to enabling the Internet of Things, Cisco has been at the forefront of technological innovation for over 4 decades. As we move towards a future defined by even greater connectivity, Cisco continues to adapt and evolve, developing new solutions to power the next generation of networks, applications, and experiences. Cisco's impact on technology and connectivity is undeniable. The company's products and services have become essential infrastructure for businesses, governments, and individuals worldwide, enabling us to communicate, collaborate, and innovate in ways that were unimaginable just a few decades ago.